Hello everyone. So today is March 6th and we're coming on here to do a trade recap. Um, so again, pre-market just assessed we're in a bear trend. We're moving bearish, moving to the downside, and came in here. First part of the strategy is to mark out the high and the low of the first 2 to 5 minute candles, which I went ahead and did there. And there's a huge aggressive bearish move right off market open, and then we ended up bouncing back up. So I really did think we were going to continue down low and take out the uh, previous session low, and then eventually target the lows from Tuesday. But we ended up reversing and going up the other way. So again, my strategy: wait for a candle body close above the range or below the range of the first 2 5-minute candles, and that's what we got here at 7 a.m. And normally I would have taken a trade like this, or this is what my strategy suggests to do. So I'm just going by the rules of strategy. Put stop loss there, go for a 1-to-1. And by doing this, it creates such a huge stop loss. So it's a 1-to-1, but the risk is so massive that it's kind of unpractical. So I waited for the 9 EMA to cross over the 20, signifying that we're gonna be in an uptrend. And then I waited, went to the 1-minute chart and waited for a break and retest of a key level. So this key level is right here. Waited for the break of that level, and then I was like, I'm gonna get on the retest, and I'll place my stops. I'll place my stops below this swing low here, of this low of this candle, the candle before it. So I got in pretty nicely. I placed a limit order right here at this level, right on the level, and then placed my stop loss below the low of that 5-minute candle, and then targeted a 1-to-2, and had some trouble breaking through this key level here, which was an overnight high. But eventually, when we did, we had no problem going through and taking it out. So I ended up exiting the trade after about 8 minutes. I took off some of my position here. Took off about 5 contracts here, and then let the rest go up to full take profit. And that's the trade. I had another, just quickly, I had another trade idea that ended up playing out pretty nicely, so I kind of wanted to talk about it real quick. It would have been a low risk trade. It would have been entering on the retest of this higher key level, stops below the low of this candle here. So we're in a 17-point stop loss, and then targeting the previous highs. So it would have played out absolutely perfectly, but I didn't end up taking it, which is because I was okay with my profits on the day from the first trade. So that's March 6th trade recap. Great trade. Technically, it was away from my strategy, but I think I'm gonna look into that and refine it and make sure that refine when to enter and when it's okay to treat it as a break and retest. Maybe when the previous candle is a certain amount of points, or the range is too big, something like that, because it would have just, again, like the stop loss would have just been absolutely massive if I would have played by my exact rules. It was a beautiful trade. Caught a 1-to-2 in about 8 minutes. And we'll be back again tomorrow to get after the markets.